Working with Java projects and got an Apache Ant build file? These contain build automation scripts for Java application development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Apache Ant build files. If you frequently deal with unusual APA file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. An APA file is a project script used by Apache Ant, a popular Java-based build tool. Developers encounter this file when compiling, testing, and deploying Java applications. Their search intent is typically to understand or modify the build process, such as changing dependencies, tasks, or build targets. This file is structured in XML, eXtensible Markup Language, defining a set of targets and tasks for the build process. XML was chosen for its human readability, platform independence, and extensibility, allowing developers to easily define complex build logic and manage project dependencies in a structured, declarative manner. Apache Ant from Apache Software Foundation offers a certified solution for the APA file type. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows shows the text content, yet running them requires proper tools and caution. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your APA file and select Open With. Test Apache Ant if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the APA file is still giving you trouble, relax. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, editing in IDE. Open APA files in an IDE with Ant support, such as IntelliJ IDEA Eclipse, or Visual Studio Code with appropriate extensions. The IDE provides XML syntax highlighting code completion for Ant tasks and integrated build execution. Modify build targets and properties through the editor with validation against Ant's task schemas. Next, running with Ant. Install Apache Ant from ant.apache.org and add it to your system path. Open a terminal in the directory containing the APA file and run Ant, or specify a target with Ant target name. Ant processes the build file executing each task in dependency order, producing the configured build outputs such as jar files or test reports. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Consider migrating from Apache Ant to modern build tools such as Maven or Gradle, which provide better dependency management and conventions. While Ant remains supported, newer tools offer improved features for enterprise Java development. Use migration guides and tools to translate APA build scripts to Maven POM files or Gradle build scripts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.